Look what we found. Sitting here in the corner. No animals inside?
Yeah. No. There
No?
are some over there, but I think they're gone.
Okay, they already moved out.
Coming.
They probably move in soon again because
No.
it's winter time now.
This car's gonna be running. That's why they're not gonna be moving in.
Okay.
Mm-mm-mm.
Mm-mm-mm.
You think it's fast? Looks like it's very fast.
Yeah, it looks like it's fast. Well, not right now so fast, but how much we bought it for?
$37,000.
Oh, did we?
That's actually a good deal. The 97th anniversary edition.
Aha.
Made in America.
Aha.
No, I mean Japan. For American
Japan. For American market. Aha. Okay.
Okay.
You still fit in there? Okay, good. Hold on. Hold on. Maybe we should spray something. I don't smell gas. Ah! Let's put some fresh gas. That gas is in there for years, man. Super. Yeah. Little rich though, but